Hey there, my name's John Erickson. Living here and working in Southern California, Los Angeles based. Been out here about 10 years now and absolutely love it. I've been surfing all around the world. I particularly enjoy surfing in El Salvador. Even though the beaches are quite rocky, the waves, the swell, it's beautiful. Water's warm too. Been surfing out in Hawaii. And I surf locally here, Malibu, Venice, El Porto, down in Orange County. And then if I can, and the swell's right, go down to San Diego, and there are really good spots down there. In fact, I think it's a lot better down there. So surfing is definitely a big part of my life. I also enjoy snowboarding. I play ice hockey. So all around, I just love being in the water or on the water for that matter. Something else about me is I've got these two guys in my life. This is Didi. He's now 3.5. And this is Dan, and he's now 4. And when it comes to water stuff, they don't join me surfing yet, but we go snorkeling together when we're out in warmer climates. And so what I've done is I've taken a couple of boogie boards, throw them on them, and then paddle around, and they just sit on top of the boogie board and check things out from above. Anyways, thanks so much, and take care.